Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I unfortunately was not able to vlog. Don't mind this under my eye. I don't know what happened, because like I kind of wanted to have fun with my boyfriend. Like I didn't really want to be too focused on taking out my camera and recording. Like, on another note, I asked you all on Twitter if you wanted to see my like nighttime get unready with me type of a video. I have more yeses than nos. Most of them are yeses, so I think I'm going to be doing that for you all tonight. That way I can have this edited by tonight and then have it published on YouTube and make it public on Monday morning. We're going to do like my nighttime skincare routine or like my get unready with me. So I'm probably going to take off my makeup first because I need to take a shower. After I get out of the shower, then that's when I'll do like my toners, my serums, my moisturizers, eye cream, a mask, all that, and I'll show you all what I'm using, just so that you all can literally get like a feel of what I use when I'm going to sleep and all that, just so that you all know. So okay, we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So this is what I'll use to take off my makeup. Kopari. The last clip that I filmed, I was just showing you all the cleanser that I use right after I do my makeup remover, and it is the Drunk Elephant Jelly Cleanser. Oh my god, I'm not too sure if I've already raved about this product, but like if you can like splurge on a good cleanser, I recommend that to like everybody. It's so amazing. Like that cleanser, it's worth it. It's pricey, but it's worth it. I bought my cleanser, the one that I was telling you all about, I bought it in January. It's already August. Like, and I still have some, and I use it religiously. Like, I use it a lot. After I wash my face in the shower, I'll typically go in with my serums, my toners, if I decide to tone that day. Just because I do use a tiny exfoliating brush, and I don't like to over exfoliate. That can cause micro tears in your skin, and those are not, like, you can't undo them. Today I'll probably do like a mask, like a hydrating mask, and then put on all of my things, like all of my creams and serums and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and sit down so that we can see what I'm gonna use. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put on some CarMax. And the mask that I'm gonna be using is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. It's only a 10-minute mask, so it's not too time consuming. Over time, as you use this, I feel like you see better results, but that could just be me. And this is what the mask looks like. So I'm pretty much done with applying this mask. I'm just gonna wait the 10 minutes to let it do its thing. Okay, so it's already been about 11 minutes actually, and I'm just gonna take like a wet cloth, like a face towel, and I'm just gonna rub it all off. This is just something that I do, but I always keep a bottle of water every night by my bed and right before like I go to sleep, I'll try to finish an entire bottle. That way like my face isn't so swollen in the morning. But just some food for that. This is such like a chill, like get unready with me, like a bedtime routine. I honestly don't think that like for videos like this, like I need to sit down in like a studio setting. Like you all are gonna get to know what I'm using regardless of whether I'm sitting in my room or in a studio setup. Like, you know what I mean? So after I take off a mask that I'm doing, I will either do like a night cream and then a serum. So for my serum, I will use this Glam Glow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment. And it has lactic acids, pyruvic, tartaric, mandelic, glycolic, and salicylic acid in it. So yeah, I actually really love this stuff. I honestly feel like I do my skincare, I do more skincare at night than I do during the day. Like during the day I'll just put on some SPF, like moisturizer with SPF in it, and then like eye cream and moisturizer, and that's about it, and just some Carmex to make sure my lips are hydrated. So the next thing that I'm going to be using is a night cream. So this is the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. It's a prebiotic night cream, and I just get a like a pump and a half like that. I just this night cream, honestly, like it soaks into the skin so fast. Like my skin is so tacky and it feels so good. Look. And then lastly, I'm just going to be going in with my Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream, dotted on. Who else can agree that chin pimples are like the worst pimples? Like anything on your chin, oh my god, that shit hurts so bad. And then for the last thing, I'm just going to be going in with our, and like I've told you all before, like I really enjoy this eye cream so much. This is my nighttime skincare routine, and I hope that this answered some of you all's questions about what's a good cleanser, what's a good serum, good moisturizer. I have tried the higher end and the, you know, drugstore option, and I do feel like I do see a difference as far as my skin goes in what I've been using. So you don't have to have these products to get good skin. Just be consistent with your skincare. And yeah, so the only reason I wanted to make this video is because I do, like I said, I do get a lot of questions. So hopefully I covered everything. Okay guys, well don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all on Wednesday. Bye.